Going to replace this cam sensor, also called a cam position sensor. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the old one. There's a pin right here. You probably need a screwdriver to pull it off. I've already pulled it loose. I'll lay that down. And this just comes right straight apart. We'll have to remove this one. Now that is a 10mm bolt. You may need an extension. Might still do an extension myself. Remember, you go counterclockwise to remove a bolt. You probably already knew that. I put a pair of locking pliers on there. Since the old sensor is no good anymore, I'm not worried about breaking it. Just as long as it's not broke off inside. But now I can wiggle it and pull it out. Now that I've got that part out, I can just push this up here. Grab camera. Right there. Pull the old one out. And slip the old new one back in. I'll show you what that looks like inside. Using the light. Put the gear in there. Now we'll put the new one back in. Put this back on this clip. Fasten it back here. I guess I got it upside down. Flip it over. And then put that back on there. Put the retaining clip back in. And that won't come out. Put the sensor back in the hole. Should slip right in. And if you don't get the bolt hole lined up, it will twist so you can line it back up. You'll use the wrench to put the screw back in the hole. And we'll plug this one back in.